Welcome to Doctor. In this video, we will summarize the book Rich Dad vs. Poor Dad. The book begins with Robert Kiyosaki describing his childhood and the two father figures who influenced his financial education. His biological father, referred to as Poor Dad, was well educated, held a stable job as a government employee, and believed in the traditional path of going to school, getting good grades, and finding a secure job. He held the common belief that the key to financial success was a good job and a steady paycheck. In contrast, Kiyosaki's best friend's father, whom he calls Rich Dad, was an entrepreneur and a self-made millionaire. Rich Dad didn't have the same level of formal education as Poor Dad, but he possessed valuable financial knowledge. He taught Kiyosaki essential lessons about money and investing from a young age, setting the stage for the book's central themes. Key concepts and lessons. The rat race. Kiyosaki introduces the concept of the rat race, a cycle in which people work tirelessly, earn a paycheck, pay bills, and then start the process over again. The idea is that individuals often find themselves trapped in a never-ending pursuit of financial security, which is elusive because they rely solely on their paychecks and don't understand how to make money work for them. The importance of financial education. One of the book's central messages is the significance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that the primary reason people struggle financially is their lack of financial knowledge. He believes that financial literacy is the foundation of building wealth and achieving financial independence. According to him, individuals must invest in learning about money, investing, and financial markets. Assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki distinguishes between assets and liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. He encourages readers to accumulate income-generating assets, such as real estate, stocks, or businesses, and reduce liabilities to increase their net worth. The power of passive income. A key component of financial success, according to Kiyosaki, is generating passive income. He advocates for investments that provide ongoing income without requiring active involvement. Passive income can free individuals from the constraints of the rat race, allowing them to pursue their interests and spend their time more meaningfully. Entrepreneurship. Rich Dad Poor Dad highlights the value of entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki believes that starting and owning a business is a way to create wealth and financial security. Entrepreneurs have control over their financial destinies and can leverage their businesses to generate income and acquire assets. Mindset and psychology. The book touches on the psychology of wealth and financial success. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of developing a wealth mindset and believing in one's capacity to achieve financial prosperity. He argues that a positive attitude and self-confidence are essential in the pursuit of wealth. Overcoming the fear of taking risks. Kiyosaki encourages readers to overcome their fear of financial risks. He believes that true learning occurs through experience and that fear of failure should not deter individuals from taking calculated risks. Savings and budgeting. Kiyosaki challenges conventional wisdom when it comes to savings. He argues that, instead of saving money in a traditional sense, individuals should focus on putting their money to work through investments. The emphasis is on making money work for you, rather than simply storing it away. Education system critique. The book critiques the traditional education system, asserting that it lacks instruction in practical financial matters. Kiyosaki believes that conventional schooling trains people to become employees who work for a paycheck, rather than entrepreneurs who create wealth. Working to learn, not to earn. Kiyosaki encourages individuals to choose jobs or careers that offer opportunities for learning valuable skills, even if the initial pay is lower. He emphasizes that the knowledge gained can ultimately lead to higher income and financial independence. Entrepreneurship and financial independence. A major theme in the book is the idea that financial independence can be achieved through entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki argues that starting and owning a business is one of the most powerful ways to create wealth. Entrepreneurs have control over their financial destinies, can leverage their businesses to generate income, and can accumulate assets that work for them. The book emphasizes that successful entrepreneurship often requires taking calculated risks, learning from failures, and having a strong desire to create value in the market. Investing in assets. Kiyosaki advocates for the accumulation of income-generating assets as a path to financial freedom. These assets can include real estate, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and businesses. By acquiring such assets, individuals can build multiple streams of income. The book provides insights into the mindset of investors and encourages readers to think like investors rather than consumers. Investing in assets allows individuals to benefit from compound interest and appreciate in the value of their investments over time. The importance of passive income. Kiyosaki underscores the significance of passive income, also known as mailbox money. Passive income is the income that flows in without direct involvement in day-to-day work. It includes rent, royalties, dividends, and interest. Kiyosaki believes that accumulating sufficient passive income to cover one's expenses is a crucial milestone on the path to financial freedom. Achieving this goal allows individuals to break free from the need for a regular paycheck and to have more time to pursue their interests. Understanding taxes and corporations. The book discusses the impact of taxes on one's financial well-being and highlights the need to understand the tax code. Kiyosaki introduces the concept of the ESBI quadrants, which represent different ways to earn income. E stands for employee, S for self-employed, B for business owner, and I for investor. He suggests that people in the B and I quadrants have the potential to pay less in taxes and achieve greater financial rewards. The book also delves into the advantages of incorporating a business and understanding tax deductions. Debunking common myths. Kiyosaki challenges several conventional financial myths, such as the idea that your house is an asset or that a good education guarantees financial success. He stresses that people should be cautious when taking on good debt that works for you, like a mortgage for real estate investment, and avoid bad debt that works against you, like high-interest credit card debt. The importance of continuous learning. To thrive in the world of finance and investing, Kiyosaki argues that one must be a lifelong learner. He emphasizes that true learning occurs outside of one's comfort zone and that taking calculated risks is essential for personal growth and financial success. The cash flow quadrant. Kiyosaki introduces the concept of the cash flow quadrant, which categorizes individuals into one of four quadrants based on their primary source of income: employee, self-employed, business owner, or investor. He explains the key differences between these quadrants and encourages readers to strive for financial independence by moving from the E and S quadrants to the B and I quadrants. Financial education. The book stresses the need for financial education and recommends seeking mentors or advisors who can provide guidance in financial matters. It encourages readers to be proactive in their financial education and to learn about various investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and entrepreneurship. The importance of mindset. Rich Dad Poor Dad underlines the role of mindset in financial success. Kiyosaki believes that changing one's mindset from fear to courage and from I can't afford it to how can I afford it can significantly impact financial decisions and outcomes. A wealth mindset focuses on opportunities, financial literacy, and abundance rather than limitations and scarcity. Conclusion: Rich Dad Poor Dad has been influential in shifting the way people think about money and investing. It promotes a financial education and emphasizes the importance of understanding how money works. The book's core message is to escape the rat race, increase financial literacy, accumulate income-generating assets, and embrace the mindset of an investor. While the book has its share of critics and controversies, it has empowered countless individuals to take control of their financial futures and to seek out the path to financial independence. Readers are encouraged to approach the book's advice with caution, seek professional financial guidance, and conduct their own research before making significant financial decisions.